Domino launched the N610i digital label press at Labelexpo 2013, where it led the digital field with the highest digital productivity and the best digital UV inkjet quality. Since its launch, the print quality has been enhanced with the addition of orange and violet, allowing us to print over 90% of the Pantone range, with web control enhancements allowing for more materials to be run with exceptional colour-to-colour registration. The N610i integration module enables our customers to configure a digital label press that meets their business needs. The Domino N610i has a print width of 333 mm, operates at print speeds of up to 75 meters a minute. The integration module here today is our 7-colour version, including orange and violet, allowing us to print over 90% of the Pantone range. The AB Graphic Digicon 3 is the perfect partner for the Domino N610i integration module, offering market-leading label enhancement and finishing capabilities. The Domino N610i integration module enjoys the same benefits as the market-leading N610i digital label press. The highest digital productivity, with print speeds of up to 75 meters a minute. The best digital UV inkjet quality, the most opaque white with silkscreen-like finish, and the simplest operating model. High-quality digital printing, but at flexo speeds. Domino's 30 years as an inkjet manufacturer has built our reputation as one of the leading inkjet companies in the world, with market-leading brands relying on over 200,000 inkjet systems integrated by Domino. As digital printing evolves, it's more important than ever for presses to be designed to meet different customers' needs, both now and in the future. That's why Domino believes that the N610i integration module is the perfect solution for customers that want digital and conventional in a single press offering. Domino's long-standing relationship with AB Graphic, coupled with AB Graphic's market-leading label enhancement and finishing capabilities, made the decision to launch the Domino and AB Graphic hybrid digital label press a simple one. We'll start with the Domino N610i integration module. 4, 5, 6, 7 colours, variable data, 220 or 333 mm print width. I think I'll go for 7 colours so that I can hit all those brand owner colours. Okay, so now for my AB Graphic options. I think I'll go for the 800 mm. Now what other options do I want for print enhancement before the Domino N610i integration module? I think I'll go for 1 flexo station and 1 lamination station. I can always add more in the future due to the true modularity of the AB Graphic Digicon 3. The AB Graphic can be full and semi-rotary in the same dual unit, and with the option to have automatic die plates and to have non-ABG die plates, it makes the ABG die cutting the most advanced in the world. AB Graphic are the market-leading brand for turret rewinders. Imagine a digital press that can take single web through to finished product in one process. Well, there you have it, my bespoke hybrid digital label press that's fully upgradable in the future.